Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Just a quick one this one. This is the KitchenMaster 5-piece knife block set from Range. It cost £24.99. I'll put a link in the description for you if you want to take a look. It has a magnetic rubber wood stand. I'm not quite sure what rubber wood is, but we bought them because they're an all-in-one knife set, meaning it's a stainless steel handle and blade, and they're easy to clean, and yeah, they look alright. So I'm just going to open it up. So this is what it looks like straight out of the box. We have some bubble wrap. That will be the knife set, and this is the stand, which is a very simple stand. You can see, you just fold out the backrest and it will sit like that. It's magnetic, so the knives will sit on here. Just going to open them up. So the knives come in protective sleeves, cardboard sleeves, and some cellophane. Just going to open them up. Start with a bread knife. As you can see, got a protective plastic tip on there. All the knives will have this. As you can see, it's a very clean, ergonomic knife. I'm just going to place that one there. I'll put the rest on. So there you go, as you can see, the knives sit on there nice and neatly. Put them in any order you want. Show you in the back. Yep. It's a nice solid stand. It's a very solid stand actually, and it's obviously got a magnet that runs through the face of the stand. But yeah, very nice, easy to clean, ergonomic knife set. Now obviously a brand new knife set is going to be sharp, so you should be careful, but we're just going to test it out anyway. I'm just going to run our knife along like this. As you can see, clearly is a sharp knife. They recommend you give them a good wash before you use them, which is, you know, a common sense approach. So that's it. There'll be links in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye.